What is up, guys? It's your girl fiorellishane, and I'm here in YouTube again, back for another video. So this is a welcome back video for me, and for you, welcome back to my channel. So just a short explanation for my friends and for those who wonder bakit ako nawala the past few months. It's because quarantine. Because I'm supposed to focus on adventure and trip or gala vlogs on my channel. Kaso nga lang, I can't. It's because it's lockdown. So that's enough, and let's focus on the main content of my vlog. So this morning, I received a Ninja Van package from Shopee that I ordered just for about 4 days ago. So as stated down there, this package is from Sheshe.ph. You can check out their Instagram accounts, Facebook accounts, or Shopee account. That's Sheshe.ph. Really, wala talaga akong planong bumili ng shoes or kahit anong footwear kasi hindi ko naman kailangan. Pero since naglabas yung Sheshe.ph ng paubos stocks nila, or yun yung mga stocks na parang mga last stocks na nila, binabagsak nila yung presyo ng mga stocks nila doon. So, ayun, nag-avail ako. So, just a disclaimer lang din, yung mga paubos stocks nila, yung mga last stock na binibenta ng Sheshe.ph, if ever na may makita kayo, naka-indicate naman doon na may minimum dents or walang box, gano'n. Naka-indicate naman kung ano yung kasama at hindi kasama nung package na bibilhin nyo. So, para mas madali, gupitin na lang natin. Naka-double pouch pala siya. Dahil pala quarantine, don't forget to disinfect the packages na na-receive nyo from online shopping, gano'n. So, inside, I actually ordered two shoes, same style but different in color. So, as you can see, one comes with a box, and the other does not. So, unahin na natin yung walang box. So, this is Sheshe.ph Gary Pink. So, this Gary Pink is actually a furry mid heels. So, yung item name is Gary, and the description niya is furry mid heels. So, ayun, legit naman siya. It's furry mid heels, and it's pink. It's Gary Pink. So, ayan, yung furry niya kakaiba dun sa mga iba nating nakikita. Super manipis and ginagawa mo. Super manipis and soft yung hibla ng fur. So there, heels. We're gonna try to look for the damage or the dents na sinasabi nila. Since this is just a last stock, kaya bagsak presyo. So far, wala pa tayong nakikita. This is actually a size 40 or size 10. Ng Sheshe.ph Gary Pink. So there, may nakita ako na parang minimal dent lang. Pero ganyan lang naman. So, ganyan lang naman, di naman yan makikita pag sinuot nyo na naman, diba? Matatakloban na naman ng paa nyo. Worth it naman kasi sa price na binayaran ko. So, heel check, okay naman. Matibay. Madali naman kasi masira yung isang shoes. Makikita mo rin naman, diba? Kung konting hila mo lang, makikita mo agad yung parang separation, yung gap. So, let's check the other one. Okay, ganun pa din. Same lang naman. Ito, okay, ito. Makikita natin na parang medyo lifted na tong part na to. And madali naman solusyonan yan. So, madali lang naman maglagay ng shoe glue. So far, so good. Medyo madumi nga lang siya. Like, ito, yan, makikita mo may konting stain. May konting stain sa part na yan. Yan. Pero madali lang naman matanggal. So, sa strap, ito lang. Nagbubukbok lang yung gantong part niya. Yung parang leather part ng strap. As in, ayan, makikita nyo. Madali lang naman to palitan. Bili na lang kayo ng another strap, tapos palitan nyo na lang ng mas bago, ganun. So, ganun din pala dun sa isa, sa kapares niya. Nagbubukbok din. So, since siguro nga dahil sa kalumaan na sa stock room, ganun. So, for the price of this Gary Pink Furry Mid Heels, I bought this for only 90 pesos. So, yes, 90 pesos lang siya. It's because nga, kasi paubos stock siya or last stock na siya nitong item na to or nitong design na to. So ayan, naswerte ako. Naswerte ako na nakakuha pa ako ng stock nito. And super worth naman yung price for only 90 pesos. See, for 90 pesos, meron ka ng Fur Mid Heels. Magkano to na nabibili sa Shopee, diba? Wala ka namang mabibiling ganito somewhere na sobrang mura unless sira or pre-love ganyan. So this is a 10 out of 10. So, moving forward to the next item that I ordered. So, as I said a while ago, nakabox yung isa. So, ito yon. And I ordered the same item. So, Gary pa rin siya. Gary design, Gary style. Pero, iba lang yung color. So, ito yung box nila. Nakasulat, Sheshe. And with their Instagram and Facebook accounts, it's Sheshe.ph. And, sa loob ng box, so naka-plastic siya, secure like the other one. Pinakaiba lang talaga is ito may box, yung isa wala. This color is actually beige. I ordered one Gary pink and one Gary beige. So let's check out this beige. Wow! Ganda, in fairness. No, in fairness, ang ganda nung Gary beige. Medyo, as compare, parang tulad lang naman, pero syempre ito pinkish siya. Yung color niya medyo light lang. So maganda at madaling bagayan. So, as you can see, ayan, same na same. Ganon din yung quality ng fur. Lambot. Let's look for minimal dents. Ito, parang hindi naman gaano. So, inside, sa fur, sa heel mismo, wala naman. Wala so far. Siguro, ito yung strap niya. Yung strap niya is hindi siya gaano kasira like the other one, like the pink one. Good as new pa to. Actually, hindi naman talaga. Pero syempre, you know, pag ang sapatos naman kasi talaga naluluma at hindi nagagamit is nasisira. This is also size 40. So, Gary beige. So, the next one is the other one. Maaraw girl. So, ito, okay. So, same lang. Ito siguro medyo nakaangat. Pero parang sa ano lang naman siya. Ayan, o. Yan, medyo nakaangat siya. Madali lang naman yung i-rugby or i-shoe glue, diba? As compared dun sa pink, sa Gary pink, wala siya gaanong sira. Wala siya gaanong damage. Like, stain, wala rin siyang stain dito. Unlike the other. Heel, okay naman sa heel. Looks matibay naman. Seems matibay. Strap is good pa rin. Pero syempre pag yung mga ganito kasing leather type ng strap inside, ganyan, madali talagang masira. So, siguro advisable na lang na bumili ka ng separate strap na maganda yung material na gamit. So, ito na siya guys. Gary beige. So, for the price of this Gary beige, same lang siya, syempre, dun sa una, 90 pesos. So, for 90 pesos, meron ka ng Fur Mid Heels. Only in Sheshe.ph. So, of course, I'm gonna give the same rating sa binigay ko dun sa pink one. So, I'm gonna give this a 10 out of 10 talaga kasi super ganda and worth na worth yung price. So, ang last na lang dapat natin na i-check is yung durability and comfortability pag sinuot na natin yung mismong heels. So, since this is only an unboxing video, I can't give you enough information about the durability and comfortability of it. But if you're interested, guys, I can make another review or separate review about it. So for now, I'm gonna give you just short montage about Sheshe.ph Gary shoes. So that's it guys for this video, and a disclaimer lang din, hindi po sponsored tong video na to, or hindi po ako sponsored ng Sheshe.ph. Gusto ko lang din i-share sa inyo yung good finds ko sa online shopping. So for those who wonder naman about dun sa shipping fee na nagkastos ko doon, parang 20 pesos lang ata yung nagkastos ko kasi I'm using Shopee, and sa Shopee Pay maraming free shipping voucher. So madalas kong ginagamit yun every time na bumibili ako sa Shopee. So syempre sobrang happy ko kasi for 90 pesos meron na agad ako nabiling magandang shoes. And sakto din sa size. Per worth the price, and kudos sa Shopee and sa Ninja Van kasi parang within 4 days lang na-receive ko na rin yung item. So, sobrang ganda ng gisip ko kaninang umaga. Ako nakihintay na i-vlog na agad para na rin mabuksan ko. So, medyo maaraw na. So, it's time na rin siguro para i-end na yung vlog na to. So, shoutout din sa friends ko na nag-request na magbalik na ako sa vlog, na gawin tong unboxing vlog na to. Shoutout to Marcus Keith, Leslie Ann, and Pia Agudo. So, thank you sa inyo guys kasi na-inspired nyo ako masyado. I would also like to thank Cosmetics.ph pala for my cosmetic products. So, I'm using actually Cosmetics gel tint for my cheeks and tint today, and I have no any eyebrow or eyelashes products na ginamit ko ngayon. Kinurl ko lang siya and sinuklay ko lang yung eyebrows ko. That's thanks to castor oil of Cosmetics kasi super effective. I'm using this regularly every night. So, super effective kasi it helps our eyebrows and eyelashes to appear thicker and longer, and also moisturizes both. So, ayun, and my favorite lip scrub, it's a tinted and edible lip scrub from Cosmetics. This is not sponsored, but I am a distributor of Cosmetics. So, you can go follow their page, follow their Facebook page, Instagram accounts. You can also check out their Shopee shop. Just search for Cosmetics.ph. So that's it guys, enough for the promotions, and nahihiling ko naman sa inyo is to like, share, comment, and subscribe na rin kayo sa aking channel. You can also press that notification bell to keep you updated whenever I posted videos. So hanggang sa muli ng ating pagchichikahan, thank you, goodbye, and God bless. Mag-ingat kayong lahat, and see you on my next vlog.